Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add WhatsApp group linking your form. So the first we need to do, and that is very important, is to make sure your WhatsApp on your cell phone was updated. And it's important to say that works for any device you have, your iPhone, your Android, or on your computer. So you don't need to worry about that. So open the WhatsApp application. So the first thing that you need to do is create an invite link of your group. And to do that, actually it's very simple. All you need to do is go to the settings of the group, and if you scroll down you will see the option invite via link. So just click on it, and after that you see copy link. So just copy your link. After you copy your link, it's very simple. Just open your Google Forms in the form that you wanted to put that link, and in your form you will see in the top and right side of our screen a gear icon to go to the settings of your form. Right here in the settings of your form, all you need to do is just click in presentation, and after clicking presentation you need to clicking show link to submit another response in the last box, and after that you see confirmation message. You just need to put the link right here in that session confirmation message and just clicking save. And after that, when the person finish your form, there you see the link in the last page. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.